Before we start, if you would like to have a sneak peek on the list, check out our description below. Here we will be sharing with you the best 5 laminating machines to increase the lifetime of your precious papers and documents. In the 5th position, getting things started, we have the Purple Cow's Hot and Cold Laminators. The Purple Cow's 9-inch hot and cool laminator is perfect for protecting photos, preserving recipes, and expanding your creative side. It laminates with 3 temperature settings: cold, 3 mil hot, and 5 mil hot. It includes 100 3 mil hot pockets in assorted sizes. Strong and easy to use, Purple Cow's products are unique, innovative, and remarkable. The Swingline Thermal Laminator claims the 4th position on the list. Laminate favorite photos and important documents with the Inspire Plus Thermal Pouch Laminator. It's the ideal choice for home or small businesses. It produces high-quality, time-saving laminating for the letter, legal, or smaller documents up to 9 inches wide. The laminator warms up quickly in just 4 minutes, and a power indicator and ready light lets you know when you can begin. A cold lamination setting ensures safe lamination of heat-sensitive materials. Up next on our list at number 3, we have the Scotch Thermal Laminator. The Scotch Thermal Laminator offers high-quality professional lamination with easy-to-use controls, quick warm-up, and a jam-release lever. It features 2 temperature settings for different thermal pouch thickness, and the laminator has a max input of items up to 9 inches, making it ideal for home, school, or personal organization projects. Up next, our runner-up at number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Thermal Laminator. The Amazon Basics Thermal Laminator offers high-quality laminating and a small footprint perfect for use in your home office, classroom, and more. The easy-to-read guides and 2-roller feeding system make laminating fast and easy. The laminator has a ready indicator light that lets you know when it's warmed up and ready to laminate. And with a quick 4-minute warm-up time and 2 heat settings, you can start laminating all of your documents and projects fast. And the best product on our list today at number 1 is the Scotch Thermal Laminator 2-roller system TL901. It features exceptional capabilities that no other laminator can match. It can work on a 9 inches wide item. The 2 roller settings with 2 temperature configurations enable it to work on any document under all pressures. It has a compact design that is suitable to a small environment such as a home or small office. It is highly portable due to its compactness and lightweightness. It offers a lasting solution to all of the laminating hassles, and it surely deserves the highest rank on this list. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!